back at how this works on a tournament basis to make it really easy. I've created some fake teams, and so this is what we see when we're running a tournament on this end. I've got now 7 schools. I've got my events and judges are in for things. So I can see that I've got 24 entries for each of these schools. I've got 6 one-acts. I've got 17 judges in for things. I've gone in and put in rooms, so I know that I'm going to have these rooms for different events and things like that. And then, like I was showing you earlier, we go into here to rounds, panel all the prelims. I'm going to do 5 rooms of, we got 4 rooms of 6 because I've got 4 rooms of everything. 1 act, 1 of 6, pantomime, 4 of 6. I hit panel all events, and then it panels everything for us, and it puts it all ready to go, and it's done all of those things for us. Then when I go over here into schematics, it's going to show me that the rooms are paneled, the entries are paneled for all 3 rounds. 4th round is a final round, so it's not paneled because it'll be ready to advance to the final round when we get there. In all of these, you can look at your settings. You can see prelim ranks, things like this. We can also publish it for all the coaches to see so everyone knows what's going on, things like that. And beautiful thing about this is then we go back into our schematic, auto assign judges. It's going to assign judges automatically to the rounds, and just do that for all of them. And obviously I would need more judges because right now I don't have enough for covering all the rounds based on what I put in here for a fake tournament. But you would just do that with all of these. And then you go in here into reports. Here's postings. I can print off the entire tournament all at one time, all time slots, simply by print. And it's going to error out because I don't have everything done yet, but I could post out 1 round, 1 classical scenes because I have done that. And it's being slow for a minute, but where are you? Ah, it's being silly tonight. Let's go back here just to classical. I can also print schematics by room here, and this would be your posting, and it would show up there. And don't know why it's not showing us on the test tournament. I'll show you on a regular tournament I've run what it looks like and stuff like that. And then Jake has it all set up so that we can actually enter everything into Tabroom, and it'll calculate everything for us based on the rules for drama as well. Or we can still go in and do it in the Excel that they do. Let me just show you what a tournament looks like that I just ran this last weekend. Looks like. So in here, when I go into reports this way, and I click on, I'm just going to say round 1, panel A of things, and I go to print that schematic and posting. We just print them off, we post them up. The students know where to go, who's judging, and which competitors are in those rooms. And it's very simple, very easy, and we can panel the entire 3 rounds all at once, print them, have them ready to go, judges assigned, and make life very simple for paneling and things like that going in. And then on his end, what we would be doing is we'd be entering ballots. If we weren't doing it online, obviously, I do mine online. Judges put in their own ballots, but for this purposes, we go in here, and we just click on tournaments, and we would put in for the judges, and we would enter ballots, and we would see all of these. So like I can click on this one right here. I can click in their scores. For drama, we would have points for the superior, excellent, and good categories. If there's no shows, you put them in there, and we save the scores, and then it all comes out for us. And then in the event displays, it will show up first, second, third, who's there, based on our codes and our rule breakers that we have in for the tournament. Well, like I say, we go in and we, depending on, but if we use Tabroom, that makes it very easy. Otherwise, we still panel it that way, and we can put it in on the other. But Jake and I are very adept at this right here that Josh has adapted and really refined from what Excel I created. He and I created a long time ago, the same year. It was crazy. Basically, Tabroom does all of that, just much simpler, and we don't have to panel. So anyway, that's what this looks like, and it makes it very easy. And you can we can download an Excel sheet, send it into the state and everything that way as well. So let me know what you guys think, and I think Jake's getting it set up already to do that way. When you send him entries anyway, that he'd be using it on his end anyway. So this way you guys help and get it all in nice and easy.